toolbox like this in our world, and then they are Jamaica. Not even the rims. Respect our man as always, smashing sick, bro. That is it.
Yeah, man, Instagram and TikTok.
Chuck show, you don't know, big up to Chris and the entire team. It's all about a great vibe down here in Clarendon. You don't know, Chuck show featuring Masicka. It's gonna be crazy, trust me. So far the truck race and the truck competition actually just finished. You don't know what you look like in Take It and Beat It. So let me see what go on, and no joke, no doubt. So massive, it's a massive event. The entire show is just completely sell out, you know. So listen, big up to Chris every time, and trust me, listen, Masicka will perform later on, but you know me, I'm gonna post the Masicka performance by itself, so you can look out for that, see? So we're just gonna walk through, we're gonna see what the natural vibe, the natural ambience is, what's going on today on the truck show. And yeah, we'll look at some bad trucks, some bad machines, some bunch of things, some people, some whole heap of things. It's a brand new year and it's 2025, and let's do this the right way. You see me, I say? No joke, no doubt. Where's the truck show at? Mad. Mad. Alright, massive, so you don't know. We're there over the exclusive parking lot, and I'm telling you, this is the track for the truck show. You can actually look on the drone shots them and see the truck show and thing and see the race them and all of that. Mad and bad. So big up to Chris for a great event, you know what I mean? It's been awesome, I tell you. From a reach, you think that's going on mad. Yeah, people everywhere. The energy, everything is just great. Mad thing, mad respect. Truck show. But this is actually the racing track. So we just a walk through and make you feel like on the day who never get the chance to forward. See? This is the track. Loud. Big up Chris. I don't know Masicka performance, you know, I'm going to post that and take by itself. You see? No joke, no doubt. No meditation. Alright, wait up. Now watch this video. Now watch the drone shot. The drone video. This man. What that? What that? What's going around? Jesus. Oh my gosh. Look at that pull away there. Oh, nasty. Oh my gosh. I want to flip. My gosh, look at that. This is so pretty dope. Yo, this bad. New life. New life. Yeah, bad.
Alright, so the race will go on. Get ready to see that. Yes, sir? You're right behind shooting? No, that's cool. That's super cool. Alright, guys. Chris, roll up and revving. The next one's now. Let's hear from Chris. The next race is, or this, alright. So Chris has asked me, you want to do the kids right now? Alright, 6 children who can make the best Jake sound, come to me right now. 6 kids who can make the sound of the truck. A change gear or the Jakes? 6 kids right now. 6 children. Turn up the music, DJ. Turn it up. 6 kids. 6 children. Where are the kids who can do the sound? Where are the kids? We have one right here. Wait up to the truck passes. Wait up to the truck passes. Come driver. Don't move it. Alright, now the kids must move. Driver, drive slowly.
Jamaica walk by, you know what I mean, truck show. You don't know. Big up to Chris and all of the promoters them involved in this beautiful event. We love all of the safety, the precautions them. You know what I mean? They have some big concrete thing will separate the runway, the racetrack away from the audience and the people them we have view, which is great. You know what I mean? Because I know enough of supposed to wonder. But yeah, them have some big concrete posts down the racetrack. So even if none of the truck them get out of control, you know, say can't reach the patrons, none at all. You know what I mean? Which is great. Mad and bad. We love that.
Nobody talk about this one. On your marks. No teething. No teething. Come back here.
Oh, they have some kids a race. So alright, massive, we're just gonna move a little bit out of the area right here. And we're gonna check out on the inside of the event, you know what I mean? So this is all of the happenings before the big man perform Masicka, you know what I mean? Which is great. So let's just walk through the event and see what go on with some of the truck them on display and thing. Mad something, man, let's go. Now, everybody come and like so you go alright. So when you look for our jigs.
can go to the back of the line. Thank you. Alright. Hold truck cells. Hold truck cell. 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, son. Alright, good. The crowd ready for that one there. Alright, son. 1, 2, 3, go!
So yeah, massive, we're just rolling through a bit. We're gonna see the vibe down here in the early out, you know what I mean? Yeah. Loads of truck, crazy machine. just joining, we are at the truck show down here in Clarendon, you know what I mean, Maypen. You see me? Just showing you what the vibe is like at the truck show. And you know what I mean, Masicka to perform later on in the night. So you know it's an all family event, you know what I mean, food, drinks, everything galore, even place to the kids and thing. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt. So I go forward over the kids village a little bit, let me show you what go on over the kids village. Yeah. Right, that's how they may have the bull. You understand? Just to show you what go on. So next year make sure say this, you know, mark the date here and mark the event. So you know say this is the place you have to forward for the families, eh? Yeah, they have a great time. So when we're back from over the kids village, we're going to walk the food and make us see what go on with the food spots, you know what I mean? So big up to Chris again. So this is the kids village. So this was actually open up all day from morning. I think it opened up from 10 a.m. in the morning. So the kids them come out and thing and them bounce and do everything. So remember Masicka perform later on too. So no joke, no doubt. So bounce about them, loads of bounce about. You could do a quick spin over here. I know so them still riding them thing. So you can tell say today over here so they lit with the kids. No joke. Alright, mad. So let's do this. Let's go by the food section now. So go by the food section and we can walk on that side. So also you have food here, like you know kiddies treats. Kiddies village, so you know say the treats are for there. Also some ties are still over here. Just to give everybody a little highlight. Ties, on top of ties for the kids them. I remember all heap of kids there, so in most of them places I probably restock all again. Nice. Oh, over here so them get them. Ties galore. Blessed good night, respect. Yeah. Kiddies village, the ties them, man. You know me I go for my daughter, make she come pick a tie. Alright, so that's it for the kiddies village. So I say over here, so probably not the day today, lit. All of them kids are we see out on the outskirts over here, so I bounce out them life. And now we have the food section. Food on top of food. So the food village, like me I tell you, they have hundreds of options, believe me. Hundreds of food options to choose from. Can't done it. So you have Monk Garage Kitchen, the right, so you know what I mean? Promoter for the venue. That is it, you have a cashier down there, so menu, and also you pick up this side. You see? still left on the earth. Understand? There's the food again. Like, there's one spot up there, so like them up. Check right up there. Big up my virgin Mike, you know what I mean? Lexi family. Yeah. I tell you, the food option, everything. So far, I sample some rice and peas and fried chicken. And I sample some curry chicken and curry goat with roti. And what again? Sample a couple more things. Oh yeah, so that is one part of the food section and it's not done yet. See it there? More food option, go right round. Let's go.
Come here, baby.
General have some jerk sausages right or some mad sausage. That is it. That look like it catch me appetite. I feel like I sample that. Yeah. Flavors kitchen. The taste of home, mad. Bad dog, and you know me the sample of bad dog. So I pass through. It's great. That is it. Man, good night. So this one I talk about loads and loads of food to all our patrons them. So right now, you know, we chuck them over this race. So at least the people them we are working at the canteen them and all of them food villager can get a little break too. Because guess what? A while ago one piece of line them have to join to get the food. Because you know the crowd going with Jamaicans, we not play with food in them, man. Look good. Man. See how long the food villages. I see a whole heap of ladies out too. So that's how capture the right vibe, everything. So I say, if you don't get to reach at that event, yeah, make sure you say you mark the date. You see me? And mark the event for next year too again. So you see everything we're going down here. Where you know say, yo, this is an event you have to forward with you and your kids or your entire family. You see me? Food galore. See how much 10? And as me say, you have hundreds of food options. Mad something, man. Right after now, they have fried chicken and chips and beer things. So, you know the line you have a long. Yeah, man. That is it. That is it. We have. Man. That is it. So, it's a great vibe. And I just say thing there. So, back in the chop zone. Chop them can't done. Hundreds of chop. First, I see some more chuck in my life. First, I see some more chuck. As I hear a chuck show, chuck them can't done. They come in massive. Blessed elder, respect. Machine. This is a big event, well organized. Loads of chop. Remember, even box shop there too, you know. Truck them, box truck here. Ah, thing. So now they be box truck them that get left out. Big up all box truck. Big up the box truck nation too. You see? Sure. Alright, let me go over there and say you can see it. Massive, see the world pro boxer. There's no other pro box like this in the world, and they are Jamaica. Not even the rims. Respect our man as always. Smashing sick, bro. That is it.
Yeah, my Instagram and TikTok.
Yeah, me have that. I have that because I see the car post come down. I follow the page already.
Alright, I'm sure. Post that me tag you up, yeah?
Man. There's no other pro box like I want.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, me teacher, Paul man say someone tell the people that man who don't know tell them
Big up,
five.
big up. Monk 2025 truck show, yeah? Nice. See you 2026.
See, now talk to me about the pro box. Yo, you work on it yourself?
Yeah man. Me have a team of man that work with me, you know?
Yeah.
Me have a little team of man that work with me.
Why? So where you develop the ideas or what?
Yeah man, we give them the ideas and then just put it into life, you know?
See, then, man. So talk to me about that type of, people want to say food, but you don't know anything, go. Different. Caterpillar wood.
Ban it we talk. Ban it. We don't say wood.
Alright. Only we have that.
Wife for the wood. Yeah, man.
See there.
Yeah,
Caterpillar. You understand? Ban it.
Remote control our press button inside. You see it?
So button press and ban
man,
it fly.
You see it work?
Oh gosh, man. Go on and give me a small demonstration. Alright. Hold on. So watch we now. I'm going to show you how this thing work, you know. So I'm going to press button. I'm going to juice here, man. Now what is special for you, man? Yeah. You good right there, sir? So I'm going to show you work. Press button, and the ban it. Close and open. Watch time. Damn. Watch out. Press button. Caterpillar style. Easy now, man. Look up on the grill, it's like a TV, don't you say, man. I say. And then differential too. Watch out.
Where you get this up? Where you get this up?
Oh, you can get it online. DJI Asma. Yeah. So, that stick. Man. So right now, this car is a crowd pleaser right now. Everything about the carrier, a hit man. So you get it?
So you see what I
General.
want?
DJIOSMO. See? Yeah man, bossy man, bossy. So there's no other pro box like this in
Every
Jamaica.
lighting is controlled by phone.
Everything controlled by phone.
Every lighting.
So I'm saying every lighting controlled by
different
phone.
modes. Everything on it. Over 200 different modes.
But 200.
Yeah, man, you can set the grills. You can do different things.
Suppose a man half a year tell us they want to buy it, we are do. There's a difference for the money.
4 million negotiable.
4 million.
Come with it.
Jesus, please. Cash. Yeah, so the Instagram again. Tell them the Instagram again. Which
Outlaw _ edition. Or TikTok _outlaw _ edition.
You hear massive. So all of you don't know it, let's say you find the car. Outline _ edition.
Yeah.
See? That is it. Only one pro box of it kind like this in a Jamaica. Look.
One of a kind.
The car up on carpet, bro. See? Jesus. Only one box. Go good. The box have people looking, you know. The wheels out of this world. Man. Yeah man, so Chuck Show 2025. Yeah man. Success. Loads of people massive, may I tell you. And it's a massive event. Massive. And the venue also is massive. No joke, no doubt. You see me? So we just walk through and I see the vibe and I capture the real energy down here at Chuck Show. I say big up Chris and big up Monk Garage, Manners and Bad. We are there with the boat. You know me there on the ground I go and capture something in the teacher. Where they are, the family? Does you all the road? Not G? You go out there, thing big up here, bro. So yeah. One Jamaica walk by my teacher.
You're going to good.
Respect and manners, you know, me there for the work, you know. So you watch the channels, you know, say you go and watch yourself, you know.
Subscribe, man.
Subscribe and everything. Respect and manners, Anna.
Yeah.
Art I love, see? That is it, bro. Respect. So yeah, truck show massive. It's a great vibe. And I love it. You understand? Whole heap of kids, whole heap of clown, and be sitting and go on. So yeah, it's a real energy and I love that. Look good. Alright, I'm showing you now which part the show is going to go down. So we have over there, so Dragon Stout all over there, so too. Madam Bad. Oh, you know, there I look for my family. See them here. Kylie, hi. And the beautiful, the extra nice, the wonderful Lexi. Big up Jamaica in 10. You understand? Lexi, we are doing.
They are trying to balance the whole thing.
I look like a Kylie enjoy for herself alone.
Yeah, but me I try to protect her because the crowd and keep on a run off.
Yeah. And we have Kadina. Ray. No joke, no dog. What are you saying? Whoa! You're outside. Alright, so this is my beautiful family right here. I'm a beautiful queen over here, so look how she nice. Look how she come out. Turn up, no man, you're not turn up, make them see you. Oh, Lexi, don't be shy. Come on, beautiful ladies are shy, man. Come in, man. Not even stand up. Watch out, burn off. Alright, we're outside. No joke, no dog. Watch out, Kadina, come out, Kadina. Walk out, my girl, walk out. Walk out, my will, walk out. Hard fall, but massive, walk out. Hey, walk out, watch out, oh. Hey, yeah, man. That's a behind with a cloud, you know. Yeah. But we there, massive, we just go through and take. So yeah, Madam Bad.
Alright, you see because enough truck them out, them truck that can't come over here, so we'll be over that side momentarily. Alright, so switch the positions in a little. Sweetest Jake and the best horn music. So you catch me on this small stage here. Alright, so follow me. In the meantime, please meet on stage. On the small stage with the one tent right now. Apart from the tent.
There's so much things going on. Jaja know. As we make our way through the crowd, you see? So for the main event, which is Masicka Live, will be on this side, you know. See? So you don't know, the show are gear up to start over on this side, which I'm calling the stage, the Fleet Master. Look good. So you can see everybody are drawing near already for the performance segment. See people are drawing near, are ready up for Masicka performance and thing. I hate man. So make sure say I'm gonna put the Masicka performance in another video. You see me? Because you don't know who want to get to see that, can get to see that and watch that all by themselves. One Jason, big up and respect my teacher, I'm there, man. Watch out. When I'm a G, just reaching in a place. Bro, boss, ever serve a day for day me at it. For day me at it, bro. So, I don't know, performance are gear up to start and things. So, see people take time and go and squeeze through because you know the vibe and think, man, damn bad. I could do it like this. We soon come, or we're going to walk out a little bit and come back over the event and then make a show. See? We are there going to brace. Me call you. Let me cut this, see? Yeah, man. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, massive, I don't know. Everybody are gear up now for the Masicka performance and thing. So yeah. So if you're new to Jamaica walk by, you will know so we just walk around, show the natural vibe. Just like you're there. You know what I mean? So all who miss the event can get to see what the event is like and enjoy from them TV screen or them phone screen at them own, you know, pleasure and liking. You see me? No joke. So right from the mini stage, you don't know the boss himself, Chris. There.
Turn. All right, tree. 2 girls, 1 boy, 2 girls, 1 boy, 2 girls. All right. So what you know? Who gonna tell me ooh? Those who need to take off shoes now. Yes, man. If your shoes are bunny, take it off. It's a bunny? Your shoes are bunny? Alright. Yes, man. Empire, yes, how you mean? Yeah. So now we're now, right before. And then, new life big up for yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, them drums and them band like, hey, let me tell you now. Yeah. Yo. You know it's about master, the cherry to the D, like the river to the sea, not the birds to the tree. All right, so we have four contestants. So, 5. Hey, Rick, step back here. Step back, get too close to the edge. So, we don't want the revival here. We don't want the revival for you. All right, hey, remember the edge there, so you don't want to go too close. Hey, somebody take the body from the edge, you know. Yes, ma'am. Hey, mother, look good, me now. Like, hallelujah, God did that. Hallelujah. All right, 5, 4, 3, 1, go. No, baby. And a revival that. Them there leg up bird and all kind of stuff. That's a revival. Thank you. 1 and 2 can't go on. Thank you. So go on. Let me the bird. Thank you, son. Thank you. All right. So we have 2 now. We never see him. Him did I go on? All right. Them 2 here. All right. Over that side. Lift up.
So it's a vibe, I don't know. From kids there, we have to have something for the kids then.
That's a spirit. Know yourself. Big up yourself, DJ. Alright.
The competition now.
Point for the winner, point for the winner, point for the winner now. Point for the winner, point for the winner, point for the question! Is this the
Yeah.
him are the winner? They say a him are the winner. A him are the winner. And a him are the winner. Well, if I see you are the winner, put your hand in there. Put your hand in there. Congratulations, my darling. You are Miss Teen Effortville. You go, girl.
Madam Bun.
Congratulations. Medal! Congratulations. Thank you for trying, son. Thank you.
Mr. Ron Mushet.
Miss Teen Effortville. Yeah, man. I catch it early and post it. You sponsored her? What a coincidence. Mungaran sponsored this. Oh, look at that. And she won.
Yes, Miss Steve Efren.
Miss Teen Effortville.
Yes.
You go, girl. Congratulations. Remember, no, this was never, and me just come up on the stage, you know. I hear that tune, you know. And just say, boy, yeah, me never do that yet. Congratulations, girl. Thank you, son. Have a good one. All right. All truckers, go to your trucks right now from a place. All truckers, machine. Because in 60, well, if the bag move to in 2 minutes, we're gonna ask you to rev all trucks and pull blow the horns. In all truckers, Chris has asked me to ask you to go to your machines. And I'm giving you 60 more seconds. All right, starting now. Yeah.
So we meet again at Jamaica walk by. They have a boss. Yeah, man. That is
Yeah, man. 30 more seconds, truckers, to get to your trucks. As we ask you to rev and pull on the horns. Remember,
that's it.
it's a crook world later. Here, crooks. Crooks later. Yeah, alright. We didn't ask for 5 persons to come to the stage. No, Steve, Kevin, Steve.
All about the boom girls. Driver them to reach them truck yet. So yeah, it's all about the truck show. Trust me, hundreds of trucks. massive, there you have it. You know what I mean? Also, I'm gonna make sure that the fireworks show is actually in the next video. You know what I mean? Before Masicka perform or after Masicka finish perform, I'm not sure when. But this video is for everybody who actually want to see the entire vibe here at the truck show. You don't know a bunch of things, you see me? So it is just a great vibe, you know what I mean? Me enjoy myself. And we not done enjoy ourselves yet, because you don't know the boss of perform yet. Whole heap of crocodile are go there. You understand? Whole heap of ladies, whole heap of youth, whole heap of big man they out and thing, and it's just a great vibe, you see me I say? So yeah, Chuck Show 2025, a mad thing, man. Win, venue, pack and thing, no joke. So I'm not sure if all of them people here can hold over the venue part where Masicka supposed to perform, but make we see what go on, man, a mad thing, and love always, you see it, to all my subscribers. Big up to Christopher, big up to Monk Garage and everybody like that, you know what I mean, who make that event here possible and thing. See? Big up and respect. We outside. Yeah, man.
And let's video before you got the street girl and they come up with the
before I go, you don't know, the award ceremony just start. So I can go over the award ceremony.
Truckers, we're forward now, stay in your trucks. Go for the stage. All right, truckers, we are coming to you now. Chris and I are coming to you. Stay in your trucks because we want to hear the sweetest takes and the best horn music. So the vibe master, the J to the D, is on his way. So we're rolling over to the big machines, big league, big league. Right, why-oy, why-oy, why-oy.
Respect our manners, man, no joke. Respect our manners, man. What Jamaica want by? We outside. Let's see.
Big prize, big money. Big prize, big money, big prize, big money. Big prize, big money, big prize, big money. Yo! Yo! Loud! Yo! Yeah, man! So there's a walk down and then Chris will say which one? Sweetest chicks, best hard music. Yo! Yeah, man!
stroll to see some of the trucks them that are going to be in the competition and thing. So yeah, that is it. Make sure to watch the next video for the Masicka performance. See? No joke, no doubt. So remember, if you don't love the video, if you don't love the vibe and everything, please me I beg you now, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to like the video. You see me I say? Yeah, that is it. And remember, drop a few comments in the comment section, please and thanks. See? It was a nice vibe and thing down here. Energy great. People them come out and have fun. So yeah, that is it. Let's do this. Monk Chuck Show. Madam Bad.
Let me about everything and take a coaching. Let me take for the muscle and the day. Let me take for the money and the day. Let me take look. Hey,
This artist is a multi-talented songwriter, DJ, singer, and Afro-born war. He attended the Calamari High School and was dubbed the Future. In 2009, he proved the world right when he won the ITV Music Show. In 2011, he got his first hit single, Go On and Done. Ladies and gentlemen, if the man them there and them say cross for more. If the ladies have one more melodies, let me hear you scream. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in over 5 years, and we welcome to the Mount Truck Show stage, the genocide king of all kings.
Listen, no dear one Masicka fans here, but this is something else. Listen, we are looking at girls. Who are talking to the different? But not shoot and not to my step. Who are talking to the television? Stop it. All my beautiful ladies, can you scream for me, please? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, you know, guys, right? You can't say them when you pick up on yourself, you know, I go. I check sure everyone wants to be alive and direct, you know, you see me that way. Pick up the kids in that place, though. When it's an early again, squeeze it again, you know, you go, right? Hold on. Like I said, tonight, genocide comes to our life and take tonight. Listen, you know, when you get up, yes, you go on, let me up. I'm not going to switch up on me. But you get up, come on. Hey, girl, let's go. I'm changing. Next time you make it in a life though, we don't have to do the right thing, you hear that? We don't have to make sure the family is straight. All I know that I see some signals over there. The things are not alright, you hear that? That be alright, you hear that? So we are soldiers, we don't ever put the life on the line, you know why? Give me a moment. Because a change is in. Because a change is in. Because a change is Hey, Clarita, a change is in life. Jump on a plane is free. Anybody can complain. We see her and I live on the same. Hold on, no more than enough. But people are dead facing ya. We want to not take it. On a table. Hold on. But you put up on the shit. How will you do it? 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 working now. All I want to make the money, make the son out here two sides. All that genocide part, make the son out here two sides. Let the son out here two sides. Let me see some phone now. Now let's try that thing and carry it down. How we do this? How we do this? How we do this? No. How we do this? Let me do this. Let me do this. Hey, let me do this. Up, Come to be behind me, be like a jump. I need one this. I need one with my gun. Come to be behind me, be like a jump. Come on, get on down. Come to be behind me, be like a jump. Hold me back. Give me about this. Give me about this. What we do? Take my chance, 6, 7, 10. You want to come deep in close, start with my tank. So much motherfucking Rolex, me need a dance. What we do? I said that bitch, accident. What we do? Accident shit, accident. Let us move, I don't know if I'll be there. Do I know? Ooh, just that shit, that's in the club. I'm against it, never said. He must be in, like a rock star. I think I'm never been that we were in. I'm pretty sure that I'm not that I'm on the big day. Every month in there, how we find something. Come on, family, come on. Come to be behind the king of control. Everybody, something on the body gun. Come to be. That way I talk about. You have some going on the side. Let me know if I'm here to you. Hold on, I'm going to do a drum like my stage. You have to do it. You have some going on the image. You can't give me a no mix. We're not trying to start from street like that. Image, style of me. Please. That's it. Let me about every time I think I coach you. That thing said I want to be there. That thing said I want to be there. Listen me and look. Hey. I'm not living for you. Let's go by, support her. And then keep them going. Keep them one, don't propose her. Nothing my gun. Say the man shot, the man shot for her. Say the man just sit them on corner. And you don't see no pain still. Hey, I can see everybody that we go. Every time you're running in your brother. Sorry, that's me, that's like you could put me down. We don't need each other, we don't need enough. Give me a look, look. Hey, when I live seriously. About a Gucci motor. We pull up on the big motor. Sorry, that is a bonus motor. Motor. I mean, don't be touching our motor. I want to go and call the motor. Watch it again. Tell them like I said, they might want to go there. Fucking no set, I'm cleaning the most bread. Of course, they can put it up on the toast. I'm so bad, but anything in the discord. The job is stirred and a big coat. Big coat, they want it and it up. Hey, man, I live. Hold up. What up? What up? Yes, I want to know. Yes, I want to know. After the one Masicka fans, come with a popular and get ready. Pull up ready with me and ready. But we can carry the dance to our boy. We are looking at carrying the dance to our boy. Who are the fire here? Who are the fire here? Now we are called. Hey! Boy, why are you trying to get a dream, my dream? How you want to go? I want you to practice the ice show so you can make it free. I don't want to be the next time. Hey! This is a whole lot of stuff. I'll be up on this ticket. Without blind, without chest, without ninja. What is this? He can say that. What is this? Who am I? Sit down, sit down, and I'm going to get you get down and put a mask. Who am I to compare my time? Sit down, and I compare. She's a lucky, a big kid, and you like it. Copy, and the bitch, and you want them. Nobody will know them. What's the thing with them? Big section, one shape, and triple, and the big and the I got now the mountain I don't. Come down here, come down, go. I get me sick, I gotta go. Give me a note mix. Give me a note mix. Now what we can sing our next song for the river. We can sing our next song for the river. What I'm saying? Mr. The boy then, start to cut up around the door now. Brothers of my house, it will take some of it all for it. Let's get to the cover time. Let's get to the phone. We got DJ one for this. Look! All we need is things full and get about driver. Pension about the top line. That's like a glory man. We are dead high. They are dead high. Simple. All the beautiful ladies, let me sing all of these. This is the last night. Take them on the couch and I can come and dance. Took them on the plane, but they can show them. My guys who was some of the girls. One in a very young, that's pussy and my time. Don't be bring money, man, give it a kid and fashion. Pussy bring money, you don't see the monster. You don't have to follow her, you don't say. Run up the other, you don't say. Let's go, Jack. I would like to check in the race. Let's go, Jack. I would like to check in the race. Let's go, Jack. You got to check in the restaurant. Guess what, Jack? What up? That's what you need, I can't do what I do. You can me, you don't know what to say. You go up and you make sense of the book. You don't get a second of the right. I see you know me. But you back here, this is what I'm saying. What I see. What you can say, balance. Guess what, Jack? How would I put that in it? Yes, sir. How would I? Yes, sir. Would I touch up in the rest of my life? Yes, sir. Blessing. Yes, sir. Well, we can't party with that. Well, we can't set the kids in and watch it. Turn it on. Turn it on. What up? Now put my hand there and touch your crack. And it's a better one, they put that you can take on that. Up in that, that's over there. I'm not going to do that, you're going to take on that. I'm not going to do that, you're going to take on that. Who wants to do that, you're going to take on that. I didn't tell you. But for you, seven doors so you're independent, baby. But some money, what I do. What I see the job, where I sit. But the back over there. Everything about, I'm gonna go get good. Let's see the check out of it. Get it at the best. Get them some of your best. I know. Do it all with you, girl, we love the clock. Shake your chance and leave it out the right. If you got all this, I'm just saying, let me people that you get. I'll be back and never want you. Whatever people like say, I think it's all yours and I say, well, and then I go. I think I will have a talk and then I just. Let me go to the idea of the world. That's good. That's so beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna so fine. Never show me call time. I'm ready again, I'm ready again. You want me? Take it, you can't take it, you jump it, and I am a. Tell me to stop it. Turn it down. I want to look at you then. Open up the baby window. Open up the window, tell you. I'm in a good clothes and I said, go now. What we do at the day? It looks like we need somebody else to carry that. It's all about you. It's all about you. Oh, I'm beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about you. Oh, let me 1, 2, 3, hey. We like to just be the right guy. Save the life for you, and fight for us, fight for us. Save the life for you. Something to remember, something to remember. She hunted for us to hunt. Hey, hey, hey. The right trees on the head, now you're bringing a head at the head of the second sector. You see your true people, she lends up on the skin, head, now you're looking at her. She does surrender, I don't know the sea. Let's get there. We look now, let's get there. We got love with the person, we see the girl. We like to just, we like to just. Yes, I want it. You got to go. Nobody did I want.
the parties and the stars. Fuck around and give around my heart. Don't say that I will give up my life. Really find your life is out to transfer. How much you get off the right in hard way? Maybe to the I'm gonna tell you what my age. You know I'm not for me. Yeah, me like the pretty change and basket. I'm gonna know this love is ever. When the back it up beside me. Girl, you move me on me. Pop it down here, pop it down here, pop it down here, put it down here. When you put my girl in there, carry that. Hey, I'm on the bed of one. Let me come up. Can you know my phone about to the ladies, right? You are going to be serious. All of the support for them, all of them say not to make it out tonight, but this is so special. When we reach our side fans, we are going to life strong. We are going to be doing strong. You hear that? Give me a moment. Looking at the light, when we're crying. Never see them like a right and suicide door. Matic full up and go for the big of furniture. Life is like a big stand up on the fight. Fuck the music to take some weed out of the mind. Life from up on a chair, go up there, mama chair. Hungry then they don't stay chill, this foot on a fight. Put the cage up and touch his stage and sing so right. They go, they're not high. When the poverty, they celebration like July. Pussy switch up, I'm looking up, get a time to die. I'm 16 up on the top of the confidence to go to cover. Nothing more, let's get the best to rip it out the back of the door. All I want to go to the kitchen and you wanna. Hey, I get my blessing. All the police are. If you're not open, get the research. Life of a change, go to the turn. Think of a path to jump. Gotta go be ready. Gotta go be ready. Every day I get it. People when we're ready down to what to stand up. Only you can it is not a next man can. Hold on and the next black can. Now the devil I want to know the head of why you see it. You come up and you see the clear of the eye. I keep it here but I keep on using building and I feel like you're the being. Just bring it true but help you can tell it. So you let it prove the information of the time. Every time. I get no blessings and I'm confident. I am the leads and no things that come. We get no more to our things that come. It's the conscious. It's the conscious. The man is in my head. Keep myself. I stay blind to wisdom. Stay blind to wisdom. Ready again? One thing that can't do stop me. They can't talk. They can't share. But the fact we're real, I'm a man of the real. I'm a man with fire, I'm a real. Some boy I'm a strength. I'm a man of the strength, I'm strength like all of them. I'm not feeling to themselves, I'm a sister of Simran. I'm not supposed to get themselves, I'm a soon of yourself. I'm a soon of yourself. I'm a soon of yourself, I'm coming back. Hey! Let's have you by that time. 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 But I don't know what's going on. Shut it up and get the best in Geneva. Let's have you by that time. Whatever happens, whatever it is. Let's have you by that time. Keep your eye on the book. Let's have you by that time. Something up in what you want to question on me. Moving up in the journey, what's up in the market? Every day I'm happy. Forget the way the place of our love. I'll even tell you all the world. Listen up and do it. Listen up and do it. I want the most of it. What is up, Candy, Bruno? What is up, Candy, Bruno? Let's have a dance. Let's have a beat. Let's have a dance. Let's have a beat. Something like one minute. Let's have a dance. Let's have a beat. Let's have a beat.
One shit, come down, let me down.
Hey! element of surprise. But don't come and get shot the fly. A president shot me. Yes, as I rise, and it's my time. Yes, as I balance it.
Father never sends God.
What about God fans and things and sing and so? Big up that God. What the genocide fans and things and sing and so? They can't sing the next one on this. Every time they are paying me down and doing my wage. Every time they are paying me. Ah, this is my money. Hey, I just say stay for us. Stay for us. Stay for us. Everything changing on the case. I'm on the way to my brain book. If I'm on the car, I'm on brain to my foot. I'm on the car, I'm on the brain to my foot. Putting my business in the chase we are. If I tell you I'm carrying my mask, step on my gun and get down, shoot me. Mother, the fuck is sleeping. They want me some pussy down to look at me. I just feel like I'm the one with the power and strictly. Never come from it, like this and don't get me.
Never sends God.
Jumping on the distance. Don't say I'm kind of big. Don't say I'm kind of big. Don't say I'm kind of with the tongue. They stars are guts, and the stars are deep. They stars are guts, and the stars are deep.
Father never sends God.
No some fool will never see. No some fool will never see. Show the look of the baby. They stars are guts, and the stars are
One sends God to Father. Never sends God to Father.
well, we can't take him up the basic to do it. Balance it over. There don't know what's going on. There just know what's on. There don't know what's going on. There don't know what's going on. There don't know. Listen, we are buying a 2025 powerful. This is how we are buying. Oh, yeah, my God, I think I have to do this one. Oh, yeah, my God, I think I have to do that. You are going to get that wrong. Good thing I know how to do that. That's all. Look how they get it. That's all. I'll see that they get it. What's that? I ain't going to go in the party. Get somebody to come on the shoulder. Get on the shoulder. That's fine. Get what you want. It's not that I need for to enjoy. Cause any time I'm the top of the money. Give me no mix. Give me no mix. Oh, they might go and do no living good. Oh, they might go and do no something good for. They want to make it better. Oh, to be sure. Fix it up, look at it. Roll me up. Oh, they might go and say, I want them never run out. But I'm a one with something. Oh, they don't want it. Just something get a rough life. Just a woman, ready for the fight. What a condition. Pressure was fun. Put it up my notch, shit I was standing. After that I'm not here, so much just like you. When you're sitting and they let a please don't bad boy. Come over and out of the top of the fire. Look at how I'm going, give it a body now. Fixing a cup, got that. Oh God, God had the crown. God had the crown. Oh, they want one like this. Oh, they want one like this. They want to let it go. Kids in a company. They sleep like when they come by my riches. I will get every money. But from a bad mistake. Moving on, moving. Yeah, look at everybody. Look how you like on the stage. Look how the stage like. Look how you like. Look how quickly they like them piano sound. Pull up another one, pull up another one. I want Masicka, every now and then. You know that in the arena. I'm not going to come with the style. Make sure champagne, and let us see from a break, a black bread, and a bread, a champagne. Get me back and go down to the pit, and suppose I'm gonna go to she want to show me if you put it on my head. Carry it down, and a big rock manna. 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 And a big a pain and sorrow. Shut up and pain and all of the other things I want. I was okay now.